All right, guys, so really quick, we have a situation in Brooklyn subway, Brooklyn, home of the mob, Brooklyn, what is today, 412 412 412, using Gematria, decode the message equals a total of 412. Today's date is 412. So we're going to quickly not come up with a conclusion on this event, but we're going to look at some numbers that are going to pop right in front of our eyes as they relay a message. Now here we're looking at 16 total injured with 5 in critical condition. 16 total injured. Look at the 3 and the 6, 36. Look, that's 3 sixes. Or 6 threes, 3 sixes, the 36, 63, 36. But look, they popped it. They popped it, guys. What's the number on the subway, on the train? 5551. That equals 16. How many are injured total? 16. The flag under the number 5551, as you present the flag in that angle, that is wartime flag. If the American flag presented a different angle facing downward, with the stripes facing downward, that would be the peacetime flag. So we have the wartime flag with the 5551 equals 16. 16 total injured on 412. 412 is the total number you get when you use the Gematria code. You get 412, which today is 412. As we continue through this matrix, through this simulations, through what the controllers like to show us, the ones who are paying attention, the 5551 equals 16. 16 total injured on decode the message 412. Regardless if some of what we're given is truth and some were given as a fakery, as a world staged event, regardless if it is or not, at this point, the numbers show a message as we continue to decipher through these messages that continue. Keep our eyes on New York. And keep running these numbers. Run the numbers, guys. This Gematria, you've got the Jewish Gematria on the far left, English in the middle, simple on the right. But the 412, look what some of that 412 equals. Trauma, sorceries, lucid dreaming. Look at sorceries coming up 412 in the Jewish Gematria, in the English 666, and in simple terms 111. Run the numbers, run the numerology, run these Gematria codes. I'll be back.